Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Poshmark app not working. So let's get started. So here you can see the Poshmark app. So if it's not working, you have to hold press it and then click on this I button. After that, scroll down, click on the storage, clear the storage and open it again. If it worked, then fine. If it's not worked, you have to uh, go and check for the update. Go to the Google and search for the Poshmark app. Okay, then update it and use it. So the third solution is to uh, like reinstallation. Click on here, then click on this uninstall button and click on OK and reinstall it via your Play Store and use it, and if it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.